Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. What I'm going to do in this video is show you very quickly how to, in Microsoft Teams, start a recording, but how to save that recording as an audio as opposed to a video, which takes up less space on your storage device. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I'm in a Microsoft Teams meeting here, but for the purpose of this video, I've not invited any participants, but I'm going to show you very quickly how to start a recording, but that recording will just be an audio recording. So when you save that recording, it will just save the audio from that Teams meeting recording. So at the top here, we've got all the different options. Go to more. You see the ellipsis here, click on that, and it will open up this drop down. Within that drop down, it's the first option you want, record and transcribe. Now if you hover over record and transcribe, it will give you two further options, start recording or start transcription. Now there may be some cases where you just want this transcription recording recorded from that meeting as a Word document or another file, but you can click on start transcription. But what I always do is start the recording. Now what many people don't know is, I'm hoping this is going to be a game changer for you, is to change that recording when you start the recording from video to audio. When you click on start recording here, it's within this option here. So within this option you've got, this will, when you click on confirm, it will start recording and it will also start recording the transcription, right? But what people miss out is the more options feature here. This more options is minimized at the moment. If you click on more options, the default of what to record is currently set to video and audio, and it's this what needs changing. This needs changing from video and audio to just audio only. So if you click on that and click on confirm, hopefully once this disappears, this message will say starting recording, and it's starting or has started to record the audio and transcription as opposed to the video. Okay, so just think about your recordings of your meetings. If you want that recording to just be of the audio, right, you need it for work, it will A, save less space or take up less space on your device, but B, you know, if people don't want their faces recording, you've got that option not to record their faces, right? So it's a really useful option to have in Teams. Not many people know of this, especially if you then want to save that recording, if you're really thinking about optimization of space and organization of your files, or if you want to upload that file onto a third-party software, you can do it because it doesn't take up much space, but it will save that audio file as an MP4 file, but you won't see the faces, but it will take up less space. That's just a bit of a disclaimer I just wanted to make. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.